Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making shrimp egg roll stir fry. Alright, I'm starting out in my wok. I have it heated to medium heat. I'm going to start by putting in a little bit of olive oil. About 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to put in a splash of sesame seed oil. Not a lot because that stuff's powerful. It's just going to help give it a good Chinese food flavor. And what this is like a deconstructed egg roll stir fry. And I'm going to take a 16-ounce bag of tricolor coleslaw mix and get that down into the oil. And you can really smell that sesame seed oil. And I'm going to start this frying in the oil. We want to start to soften up this cabbage. Alright, now that my cabbage is halfway fried and starting to soften up, I'm going to put in a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Make that a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, guys. A 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger. And a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I like to use the light soy sauce because it's so high in sodium. I'm going to give that a stir. And it's smelling good, guys. Alright, now I have 12 ounces of small shrimp, frozen shrimp that I ran under cool water. It's thawed out. I'm going to get this in here and I'm going to continue to fry this over medium-high heat until our cabbage softens up and the shrimp cooks through. And the shrimp will be pink when it cooks through. Alright guys, this went for a few minutes. It's ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I went ahead and I put a little bit of hoisin sauce on there and some green onion for some added flavor. Now don't ask me to use chopsticks because I don't know how and I don't have it anyways. So let me get in here and give this a try. And I get a little bit of that hoisin on there. Get a little bit of salt from the soy sauce. You get that sesame seed oil coming through. The ginger. That hoisin sauce is like a sweet sauce, so it balances out the salt. Guys, that was really easy and it's really delicious. Shrimp egg roll stir fry. Thanks for watching and supporting me. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.